In this video, I'll show you how to transfer everything from your old Mac, it can be a MacBook, this is a Mac Mini, Mac Pro, whatever, to your new Mac. Here it's a MacBook Air M2, but again, it can be any Mac. It can be done in just a few steps, so let's get started. So here is my new MacBook Air. As I said, this is the screen I get when I open it for the first time. They will ask me to select the language. I'll select English. I'll press the small arrow over here. Now it will ask me to select the country I'm in. All right, Canada. I'll just go to the next page, continue. Accessibility, I'll just press not now for the moment. And now it will ask to select a Wi-Fi network. This is very important because this computer, this new Mac, needs to be connected to the same Wi-Fi network as my older Mac. So I'll go ahead and in this list find my network, then type your password, press continue. It will take just a few seconds. Next page, just press continue. And this is where we want to go. Migration Assistant. So it will ask you, how do you want to transfer your information? And you're going to select the first option, which is from a Mac. It should be already checked. So all you have to do is to press the continue button. Now, this pop-up will show up and it will tell you that it's preferable to be connected to AC power. So the battery doesn't drain completely because this can take many hours. It's simply so that your battery of your MacBook doesn't get drained during the process. Okay, so I'll go ahead and connect my charger. All right, here is my charger. I'll just connect it to the MagSafe on the side. Perfect. Now it will start looking for another Mac that is connected to the same Wi-Fi network, but it won't happen just like this. You'll need to go on your older Mac, and I will show you right now what you need to do. All right, this is my Mac Mini, by the way. What you need to do is to go on the magnifying glass on the top right corner here, spotlight search here, and you'll need to tap Migration. Okay, and the first option is Migration Assistant. This is what we want. We're gonna click on it. Then from this screen, gonna click Continue. It will ask for the password of this computer, which I will enter right now. Now it will take just a few seconds, because it will close all applications that were open on this Mac. And now it's very important that you select the last option, which is to another Mac. Just check that option and press continue. And now it will start searching for the other Mac. Now, if we go down here on my new Mac, you'll be able to see your older Mac appearing because we enabled Migration Assistant. So you're gonna select it simply by clicking on it. And then press the continue button that is on the lower right side. It will give you a code here, 479107 in my case, and make sure that this code is the exact same one as the one displayed on your older Mac. So in my case, it's the same. So I'll have to press continue right over here. And you just need to press continue on one of the Mac because here it's like you pressed automatically. And now it will check the older Mac. And here it will start giving you many options. It may take a while, so it calculates how many gigs each option is. All right. If you want to transfer everything, so you don't care, you don't want to select individually what you want and what you don't want, just click continue. You don't need to wait for the calculating thing to go on, okay? And in my case, I want to transfer everything. So I won't wait, I'll click and I'll go ahead and click continue. And now it will tell me to create a new password for this brand new Mac, which I will do. I'll just click on set password. And here I'll create a password from scratch. It doesn't have to be the same as your old Mac. It can be a brand new one. All right, I have typed a password and I have confirmed the password, and now I just need to click set password. You'll have a small green check mark over here and you're going to press continue. And the transfer will start. And this is very important. The transfer will start by Wi-Fi. So there's no cable connected between these two computers. You can speed up the process a notch by using the USB Type-C to USB Type-C cable that came with, let's say, your new MacBook, if you have one. Okay, so this is using USB 2.0, and it will be slightly faster than just doing it by Wi-Fi. But still, these two methods can take many hours. They're slow, okay? Be prepared to stay there many hours depending how much hundreds of gigs you had on your older Mac. If you want the fastest option, you'll need to buy a Thunderbolt cable, which has a much bigger transfer rate than just a simple USB 2.0 cable like this one. I'll put links in the description if you want to get one from Amazon. Apple itself sells one. Right now it's telling me that it will take 46 minutes, and it also tells you at which rate the data is transferred. Right now it's 46 megabytes per second. Let's connect the USB cable, this regular one. This is not a Thunderbolt one, and see if it's faster. I have connected the USB Type-C, the 2.0, and as you can see here, the peer-to-peer Wi-Fi is still going on at 76 megabytes per second. So I guess it's preferring to stay on the Wi-Fi, although I have connected this cable over here, since it's faster probably on Wi-Fi. You can go in connection details over here. It will tell you that the Mac is automatically choosing which ways of transferring the data is the fastest. So here with the green check mark here, I have peer-to-peer at 58 megabytes per second, and the other options are much slower in my case, so I guess it chose this one. But if you have a Thunderbolt 3 cable, for sure it will beat what I'm doing over here. It will go much faster. So I can press done, and I'll just have to wait 23 minutes left. I didn't have many files on this Mac, fortunately. I think I had about maybe 200 gigs, okay? So in my case, 200 gigs may take half an hour. In your case, if you have a slower Wi-Fi connection and you have more files over here, it will take longer. After a total of 30 minutes, finally we have this message, migration completed. And on my older Mac, if we go here, it will say the same thing. Your data has been migrated and is ready to use. Perfect. Now all you have to do is on your new Mac is to press done over here. And it will ask for the password that we just created a few minutes ago. I have entered my password. And now the setup process of my new Mac will simply continue. So I'll have accessibility here. I can press not now and go to the second screen. Let me get my camera lower here so you can see better. And by the way, on your older Mac, all you have to do is to press done as well here. And you'll need to log in, and you'll have to enter your password, and you can still use it even after doing what we just did. Now let's continue to set up the new Mac because it's not quite done yet. It will ask you to sign in your Apple ID. So you'll have to enter your email associated with your Apple ID account. Now I'll press continue. It will ask for the password of this account. Okay, I have entered my password. I'll press continue. Now it will ask for a number here. The number you can receive it on your older Mac that has the same Apple ID as the one you're trying to log in. If you have an iPhone, you can also receive it on it. So just open your iPhone or older Mac and you should see. Now I don't want to show you the specific details here, but you'll just press allow. Okay, and a number will be displayed on your phone or older Mac that you'll have to enter on your newer Mac. So in my case, it's 950067. This is nothing secret. The number changes every time you're doing this process. Now you'll have to accept the terms and condition of your new Mac. On the next screen, it will ask you if you want to set up iCloud keychain for the passwords, credit cards. Let's say I don't want, I'll set it up later. It will ask if you want your hard drive to be encrypted here. That's up to you. I'll press continue. It will ask to set up your Touch ID if you're using a MacBook. Obviously, if you're transferring your Mac Mini to another Mac Mini, it won't ask these since it doesn't have Touch ID. But in my case, I will simply do it. By the way, you can always do it with multiple fingers. All right, so you can unlock your computer with not only this finger like most people use. So I'll just alternate. Touch ID is ready. I'll press continue. And we're finally done. This Mac now has the same exact files and apps as my older one. Just let's take a look. This is my Mac Mini and this is my new Mac. It even has the same files in the same order and at the same places. The transfer is now finished. So thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. Don't forget to leave a like and why not comment down below. See you in the next one.